Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 BMW 840i M Sport Gran Coupe. This vehicle has a 3-liter twin turbocharged inline 6 with 335 horsepower and a ZF8 automatic transmission. This vehicle does 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds as well. The all-wheel drive version, or the X-Drive, will do it a little faster, like 4.4 seconds. It's a really nice car. You have the nice big screen right here. This is the iDrive 8 or 7, iDrive 7. I like this. I like the screen. It looks good. And you have the digital gauge cluster, of course. Here's your reverse camera in this car. You have a 360-degree camera system as well. Nice center console storage. This is the black leather. It also says BMW Individual on the side. You have Harman Kardon sound system, and you also have 2 sunroofs. If I can figure out how to open that rear one. So that's to tilt. Oh, that's enough tampering around with that. But let's walk around this car. It's finished in Alpine white. The BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe is beautiful, especially the M Sport. These beautiful blue M brakes. BMW laser light technology. Nice looking grille with the polished chrome finish to it. Here are the rear seats. You also have the M door sills. You also have 2 USB-C charging ports in the back, and you also have sunshades for the windows and the rear glass. It's a good looking car. Here's the trunk. And this twin turbo 6-cylinder has a really nice sound to it. This car definitely pulls. What's surprising is like the 840i. I had an 840i as a long-term loaner while my M3 was getting something done to it, and I was very impressed with the way it drove. I was like, I'm not even in an M850i, but the 840i, it's so fast. It's very surprising. Even with 335 horsepower, this car feels like it has way more than that. Extremely smooth ride, even in the sport mode. It's so smooth. Classic BMW drive in here. Very, very nice. Like, it just glides along the road effortlessly, and then it has so much, it has nice power, Steering feels really good. It's just a really, really nice car. Classic BMW drive in this car. And the thing is, you don't even need to really get an M850i because, like, the 840i itself just is so quick. It's deceivingly fast. Look at that. So nice. And BMW's 8-speed transmission is one of the best in the industry. It's phenomenal in all of their cars. Lightning quick transmission. Look how quick the responsiveness is. Put it in comfort mode. You can also use Eco Pro mode if you want some better fuel economy. It will kind of limit the acceleration and everything, and the AC and all that. But overall, this is just a phenomenal vehicle. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed driving this 2023 BMW 840i M Sport Gran Coupe. Wonderful vehicle right here. Thanks for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome vehicles like this specific car.